Hey guys, this is Sudhit Kumar here, and with me is my three guests. That is Chirag Chahana, that is recording the video itself, and Manoj Pati and Abhinav Bindra. Oh, sorry, Vashish. So we are going to unbox the newly made Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Oreo. That's the Oreo version here, and we bought it for around 75 rupees, and from a college canteen. Okay, let's do the unboxing then. It's the same package that used to come with the Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk, and it feels quite legit. I mean to say that yes, you can say that it is a 75 rupees chocolate. Okay, we have here, it's the outer packaging, and inside it is wow. So look at that, we'll keep this aside for a minute while Manoj will be playing with it. And it's a silk, yeah. Silk branding all over the place, and here it is also a silk branding. It's in golden color, and white is with white it is written silk. Now let's open it, and wow, look at that. That looks like regular dairy milk silk, and yeah. So that's it for it. We'll enjoy it. You too enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to it. उस लाल वाले बटन पे बल्ला मारो या
चप्पल मारो, थूक मारो.